Howdy, folks. This is a quick overview of our next unit, and as you can see, we're going to be studying some grammar. More specifically, we're going to be looking at some of the punctuation marks that I see common errors with in high school students. And so the specific goals we're going to have over these next couple of days are going to be these 6 main things. And there's a lot to cover here, but not all of them are super complicated. So we're going to talk about commas with introductions to sentences, commas in compound sentences, putting 2 sentences together, commas in parenthetical phrases, commas in coordinate adjectives, lists, and quotations. So there's a lot there, but hopefully this isn't brand new stuff to you. Hopefully that a lot of this material can be new and will integrate some maybe underlying meaning as to why some of this grammar stuff comes together like it does. Here's why the rule is what it is. And additionally, hopefully we'll be extending what you're able to do with lists or quotations or parenthetical phrases to improve your writing, right? Because the goal with learning grammar is not that you can score well on a grammar test or the ACTs or the SATs. Hopefully that's a byproduct of it. The goal with studying grammar is that you can utilize it within your own writing. So I've got a couple of resources that we're going to take a look at over the course of this unit. Number one of the biggest ones that I can recommend is take a look at Khan Academy videos. I'll try to post at least one Khan Academy video with each assignment that you do. They're short 4-minute videos that rock. Additionally, there's some videos and some resources on mrrested.com. So if we go to mrrested.com, and we're going to take a look at this number 3 grammar unit. Scroll on down. So the first one is I have this slideshow built for you with 12 separate rules. It's kind of a combination of the subsets of the 6 things that we're going to learn, but 12 rules for commas with some like built-in tests. So you can jump to whatever rule we're talking about. So maybe we're taking a look at this rule number 1. Bam. So the first rule we're going to learn in no particular order is how to join independent clauses with commas. And I've got an explanation and an example right here, and you can hop back and go through all of these rules. So if you ever miss a day or miss some notes, or if I talk about rule 6, here's the resource on mrrested.com. Additionally, I have notes posted up here. So if you're not sure when I mention what's an independent versus a dependent clause, well, I've got some notes right up here on mrrested.com. And then lastly, I do have some like practices to do as well. So if you need additional practice as opposed to whatever I'm posting up on Google Classroom, you can click on these links and they'll take you to a brief explanation and then a couple quick activities for you to check, are you understanding what's going on? So all of those are great. And then if we take a look at Classroom, if you take a look at our grammar rules, so you're going to notice that I have 3 Khan Academy videos posted, and some of them are long, but these are just stellar background that you guys should be watching and taking notes on and learning from in order to like really own these concepts. So anything that I post up on here, highly recommend that you take a look at and actually do watch before you take a shot at our practices. All right. Practices in this unit are going to be either no red ink or doing things in your personal writing. I know no red ink is a pain for some folks. We'll do our best to get through it. But even more of a problem is when we're practicing this and we're not able to apply it into our personal writing. We have to attempt this. So when it comes to writing a formal essay, when it comes to writing a job application or a cover letter, you're not embarrassing yourself by submitting something that's full of grammatical errors to a potential employer. All right. So here we go, folks. It's grammar time.